Happening out there, 32 degrees right now in Smithfield. Dry conditions, and you've had that basically since Monday afternoon. That temperature right at freezing. It's still chilly, but it's not quite as cold as the past couple of mornings. We're making a little bit of progress. A degree above freezing right now in Goldsboro. Also dry conditions on Center Street. We're seeing the same high cloud cover overhead today that we had all day yesterday, and we're going to see it again today. But it's not very good at holding any warmth near the ground. It did kind of filter out the sunshine yesterday and keep our temperatures cool. It'll keep us around 50 for highs today, but that high cloud cover isn't very efficient at holding any warmth near the ground, so it is chilly out there. 31 degrees in Raleigh, 28 Durham, 29 degrees in Chapel Hill, 26 degrees in Pittsburgh at the moment. We slide farther south and we find some warmer temperatures, mid-30s right now in Fayetteville. It's just warmer where you don't have any of that ice and snow on the ground, although it is 31 degrees. A chilly morning on Post at Fort Bragg. Check this out, our dog of the day. Dressed to impress. This is Charlie. Thank you to the Temple family for sharing Charlie and his doggles. Temperatures are going to warm up to around 50 this afternoon despite that filtered sunshine. Good dog walking weather overall today. Just layer up a little bit before you head out to walk your furry friend and get it done today because tomorrow is looking wet. Saturday is looking pretty wet and even some lingering showers on Sunday. We'll check that out in just a second, but first, let's show you the hour-by-hour temperatures elsewhere across central North Carolina. Mid-40s from the triangle northward by noon. Low 50s already farther south where the sun's energy, again, isn't occupied melting the leftover ice and snow. We will climb up to around 50 degrees in the triangle. Upper 40s, I think the best you can do along the Virginia state line and farther into the Piedmont, but upper 50s even possible for Fayetteville and the southern coastal plain already today. The rain moves in tomorrow, so dry weather still today, just that high cloud cover, thickening clouds overnight tonight, but still dry, I think, for the morning commute tomorrow. Fingers crossed. We want to get through at least one of the commutes tomorrow without any moisture because it looks like it's going to be wet out there for the evening commute. Rain moves in by midday tomorrow. It's going to be heavy at times, which is why we have a flash flood watch in effect beginning at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. A little break in the action for a while tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, but then more rain. Looks like it's going to head up our way on Saturday. We start the dry day on Saturday with a break, but more rain moving in by midday in the afternoon. Heaviest from the triangle to the east and south. So the coastal plain will get the highest rainfall amounts, but the entirety of central North Carolina is included in this slight risk of excessive rainfall. This is from the Weather Prediction Center, which means enough rain to lead to some localized flash flooding. River flooding also going to be a concern as we head through the weekend, particularly Friday and Saturday. Temperatures do warm up to a greater extent on Saturday. In fact, our temperatures may actually rise overnight Friday night. And then we have some cooler weather that settles in for next week. But by cooler, we mean normally cool for this time of year. And it will be dry Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Roads are drier this morning compared to yesterday. Aaron's got to check the traffic.